Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today's problem is if a plus b means a is a brother of b, a times b means a is a son of b, and a% b means b is a daughter of a, then which of the following means m is a maternal uncle of n? So let's analyze every answer. So here we have m plus o, and this means that M is a brother of O. Next, O times N, and that means that A is a son of B. In our case, that means that O is a son of N. So, what we have here, M is a brother of O, so he is a M, and we know his gender. He is a brother. He is a brother of O. So let's connect them. He is a O. And we also know that O is a son of N. So he also have to be a male. And he is a son of N. We don't know gender of N. This have to be one of his parents, whether it can be a mother or a father. So actually we don't know where to put N. It can be here or here. But anyway, what we are looking for, which of the following means M is the maternal uncle of N. And of course M cannot be uncle of any of his parents. So this is wrong answer. Second variant of answer, M% O. Here this means that B is a daughter of A, and in our case O is a daughter of M, and O times N it is here, means that A is a son of B, and in our case O is a son of N. And now what we see, O is a daughter of M and O is a son of N. So O cannot be both daughter and son. So variant B is a wrong answer. Now let's check answer C. M plus O means that A is a brother of B, or in our case M is a brother of O. Now let's check next couple, O% N, and this means that N is a daughter of O. So N is a daughter of O. So now let's build a Punnett square. So what do we have? M is a brother of O, so he is M, and we know that M is a brother of O, so we connect M and O, but the gender of O is not specified. Also we know that N is the daughter of O, but gender is not specified, so we use this symbol, which means that we don't know gender. But we know that this person O has a daughter. Again, I'm using the same symbol for his spouse because, again, if we don't know a gender of this person, we also don't know a gender of this person. But we know that one of them would be male, one of them would be female. We also know that this couple has a daughter and daughter, so we use circle to specify daughter, daughter N. And of course we also can put here one male and female who is going to be parents of M and O and grandparents of N. And now let's return to our problem. Which of the following means M is the maternal uncle of N? So we know from this pedigree that N is an uncle of N, but actually we don't know whether M is maternal uncle or paternal uncle because we don't know the gender of O. And that means that we have to choose answer D. Data is inadequate, so we don't know the correct answer. Answer C could be the correct answer because 50% chances that this is going to be female, so answer would be correct, and 50% chances that this person would be a male, then an answer would be answer D. But still, because we don't know the gender of this person, we have to choose answer D. Those both two questions we can say 100% are not correct, and answer C can be correct, but because sex of the person or is not specified, we cannot choose this answer, and we choosing answer D. This is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please write your comments, questions if you have any. Share this video with your classmates, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.